Good morning, students. Welcome again to your computer class. Yes, we having the chapter 4. More on MS Paint. Yes, in last class we knew about what we can do in MS Paint and how to start MS Paint and what are the tools and what are the window and what are the tools of MS Paint. Yes. What we knew about in last class, we knew about the how to start MS Paint, then how to start MS Paint. Have you remembered? Yes. Okay. Then tell me. Click on Start. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories and click on Paint. Very good. Do you remember? Okay. Now, what are the in a window? Very good. You all are a good children. And in a tool paint window, what we have? The toolbox, the color box, and the drawing board. Very good. And also we knew about the toolbox of MS Paint. Yes, we knew about the toolbox of MS Paint. How many tools are there? There are 16 tools. Okay. Do you remember? Very good. Okay. Then I told you different types of tool have the different works. Yes. Okay. And today we will knew about the description of that tools. Then in with the which tool we can do what. Okay. Open at your book page number 38 and you can see there the tools. The first tool is free from select. The second tool is select. The third is erasure. Fourth is fill with color. Fifth is pick color, magnifier, pencil, brush, airbrush, text, line, curve, rectangle, polygon, ellipse and the rounded rectangle. Okay, these are the tools of MS Paint. Okay, and I told you MS Paint and Paint is the same thing because it is created by the Microsoft. That's why we call the MS Paint. Okay, and you can see there is an image of update yourself. Then in Windows 7 all tools in Paint are available even in the place of toolbox. That means Windows 7 जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होता है उसमें टूल बॉक्स नहीं होता है, वो किसमें रहता है? एक रिबन में ही रहता है जिसमें कि सारा टूल्स कलर सारा एक ही जगह रहता है. ठीक है. देन लेट्स नो अबाउट द टूल्स. ओके, द we write the tool name and its description. Okay, the pencil. What is the pencil tool? The pencil tool is used to make freehand drawings. The pencil tool is made to freehand drawings. Okay, you can see tools. All of you open your copy and write with name, tools and description. Okay, tools and description. Okay, then you have to write the tools and the description. The pencil. Okay, I write here pencil and this is the pencil. Okay, what is the pencil tool is used to make pencil tool is used only draw the line. But if we take the pencil tool, anything we want to draw. That means anywhere we move our hand, it will create it. Okay, that is called the freehand drawing. The pencil tool is used to make freehand drawing. Okay, now come to the eraser. What is a eraser? Eraser tool. What is the work of the eraser tool? Eraser tool is used to erase the drawing. In copy you are making the drawing. If you have any mistake, what will you do? You erase that drawing. Yes. Suppose that I am making any drawing. Okay. If I did the mistake, then we want to erase this one. Then we have used the eraser to erase this picture. So eraser is used to erase the drawing. Okay. If we did the mistake, we erase that. We can erase the drawing. Okay. And do you know there are some shortcuts? Then how we can make with our eraser? Control plus, you can see the CTRL in your computer. There are two CTRL in our keyboard. Okay, CTRL plus sign to make eraser, to make eraser big. Okay, to make eraser big. Okay, bigger. That means how much we have the eraser, how big we have the eraser. If we want to make bigger that of them, then we have to press CTRL. That means Control plus. Our eraser will be big. And if we want to make the small size of eraser, then what we have to press? We have to press CTRL plus minus. Okay, see, we have to press CTRL, after that minus. If to make eraser smaller. Okay, to make eraser is smaller. Okay, it makes the eraser small. Okay, and now come to the line tool. Line tool is used to draw lines. In line tool, what we can do? In line tool, line tool is used to draw lines. And eraser tool, what happened? Eraser tool is used to erase the drawing. Eraser tool is used to erase the drawing. And line tool is used to draw lines. Yes, line tool is used to draw lines. Okay, and the next one is fill with color. The next one is fill with color. Okay, in this, with the help of this tool, what we can do with the help of this tool is used to fill different colors in the drawings. What we can do? We can fill different colors in the drawing. Such as we make the different types of pictures in our computer. Then we want to fill the colors, and the bucket, it is called the fill with color, and it is also we in usually call the bucket. Okay, with color we can fill the colors in our drawings. Okay, with the help of this tool, fill with, you note it down in your copy. Fill with color tool is used to fill different different colors in the different colors in the drawing. Okay, fill the different color in the drawing. Okay, it is used to fill different colors in the drawing. Okay, if any color, the red, green, blue, black, green, anything we want to fill color, then it will fill the color. Okay, in a closed figure. In which figure? In a closed figure. Okay, now come to the A. That tool, text tool is used to write text. This one is a text tool. What is this? This is a text tool. And how it looks like a capital A. Okay, this look like S, and with the help of this tool we can insert anything in our computer. इसका क्या मतलब है? अगर हम लोगों को ड्राइंग में कुछ भी लिखना है, जैसे कि हम लोग हाउस बना रहे हैं, तो अगर हम लोगों को लिखना है होम स्वीट होम, या हम लोगों को कुछ भी लिखना है जैसे दिस इज प्रियंका's हाउस, दिस इज प्रिया's हाउस, दिस इज रोहन हाउस, दिस इज आदित्य हाउस, then what we can do, we use this toolbox. Okay, it is used to write text in it. Okay, then text tool is, this is text tool. What is this? This is text tool is used to, text tool is used to write text. इसका यूज हम लोग किस लिए करते हैं? कोई भी चीज लिखने के लिए करते हैं. It is used to write text. Okay, rectangle tool. Now it is rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles. Why we use the rectangle tool? Rectangle tool is used to draw the rectangles. Okay, rectangle tool. Rectangle tool. Rectangle tool is used to rectangle. आप अपने कॉपी में लिखते जाइए. Rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles. Okay, rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now come to the next type of tool, the ellipse tool. Okay, why we use the ellipse tool? I think line draw this has completed. Yes. Okay, and also you have written this one, how to make the eraser big and smaller. Yes. Now come to the ellipse tool. Okay, ellipse tool is used to draw ellipse. Ellipse tool is used to draw ellipse. That means anything in a circular way you have to draw, you use to ellipse tool. Okay, the ellipse tool look like this one, and this is ellipse tool. Okay, this is ellipse tool. Okay, this name is ellipse, and the ellipse tool is used to draw ellipse. ठीक है, ellipse tool used to draw ellipse. What is the ellipse means? Anything in a circular base, such as this one, anything you want to, any type of circle you want to draw, you have to choose the ellipse tool. Okay, understood? Now come to the brush tool. What is a brush tool? Brush tool is used for drawing thick lines. In pencil also you can draw the thick lines, but in a brush you can brush. Brush tool is used to brush tool is used to brush tool is used for brush tool is used for to draw used for drawing thick lines. Okay, thick lines. Also we can the freehand brush, we use the freehand brush tool because it is free, we can draw anything. Okay, also we draw this sort of and etc. Okay, and in a thick line means in a broader way. Okay, and now the airbrush. What is this? This is airbrush. This is airbrush. What is the work of airbrush? Airbrush. Okay, airbrush. Airbrush tool. Airbrush tool. Which is this tool? This is airbrush. Airbrush tool is used for airbrush tool is used for spraying colors. Spraying colors. That means anything you want to spray. You have seen the sprayer. A lots of sprayer are there. How can we spray the colors? Then airbrush is used for the spray the colors in a different way. Also you can have the small dots. Also you have the thicker dots. You can choose anyone through the airbrush. Okay, airbrush is used to spraying colors. And the next one is a curve tool. What is curve tool? And curve tool and the polygon tool and the selection tool. These tools we learn in our next class. And your homework is you have to write the how many tools we have read. You have to write the description of. You have to write the description of following tools. I am giving you some tools. You have to write the description of that tools. Okay. Your homework is note down your homework, write the description of the following tools. Okay, I am giving you some tool. You have to write the description of that tools. Okay, that are the first one is a pencil. Okay, pencil. Second one is a text and fill with color. And the next one fill with color and the next one is fill with color and the next one is airbrush. Okay, you have to write about airbrush, pencil tool, text tool, fill with color and the airbrush tool. Okay, this is your homework. You have to write about the description of this. Okay, and also you have, I think you have made fill in the book properly. Yes. Okay. Very good.